Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, no experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is data entry. If you're organized and have a good eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. As a data entry specialist, you'll input, update, and manage information for businesses, researchers, or individuals. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $10 to $25 per hour for data entry services. To stand out, focus on delivering error-free work and meeting deadlines. You can find jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Remote.co. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is SEO optimization. Businesses need their websites to rank higher on search engines, and that's where you come in. As an SEO specialist, you'll optimize content, keywords, and website structures to boost visibility. Start by learning the basics of SEO tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or bloggers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Third is presentation templates. From corporate meetings to school projects, everyone needs professional-looking slides. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like PowerPoint or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per template, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that are easy to customize. You can sell your templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Fourth is podcast editing. With the rise of podcasts, there's a growing demand for editors who can polish audio files. If you enjoy working with sound, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Many podcasters pay $50 to $200 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services to new podcasters or reach out to podcast networks. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom t-shirts and sell them online without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose data entry, SEO optimization, presentation templates, podcast editing, or t-shirt design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.